If you've been posting affiliate links, creating content, joining programs, and trying to drive traffic, but you still aren't making consistent sales, the answer probably isn't to work harder. It probably isn't another affiliate program either. There are 3 pieces that must come together before affiliate marketing starts working. Most beginners are missing at least one of them. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what those 3 pieces are and help you identify which one is holding you back right now. The 3 pieces are the right person, the right problem, and the right path. If those 3 things don't line up, you can post links all day long and still get nowhere. Let's break them down one at a time. The first missing piece is the right person. One of the biggest mistakes affiliate marketers make is trying to promote to everyone. They say, this product is for anyone who wants to make money. But anyone who wants to make money isn't a clearly defined audience. A college student looking for extra spending money is not in the same situation as a 60-year-old who wants to supplement retirement income. A business owner looking for marketing software is not the same as someone who has never made a sale online. These people have different fears, goals, questions, and levels of experience. If your content tries to speak to all of them, it usually connects deeply with none of them. Here's a simple test. Can you complete this sentence? I help this particular kind of person solve this particular problem. For example, I help frustrated affiliate marketing beginners stop jumping between opportunities and build one simple online income system. That is clear. The viewer can immediately decide, yes, that sounds like me, or no, that isn't what I need. And that is a good thing. Your goal is not to attract everyone. Your goal is to become relevant to the right person. But identifying the right person is only the beginning. The second piece is where many affiliate marketers get completely turned around. You need to address the right problem. Beginners frequently lead with the product. Look at this funnel builder. Look at this compensation plan. Look at this training platform. Look at this traffic system. But your potential customer did not wake up this morning hoping to find another funnel builder. That person woke up thinking, I'm not getting sales. I don't know what to promote. I've tried several programs and nothing has worked. I am worried I'm wasting my time. I don't want to get scammed again. Those are problems people actually feel. Your product only becomes interesting after you connect it to one of those problems. Imagine someone standing in a hardware store holding a drill. The customer doesn't really want the drill. The customer wants the hole that the drill can make. And even the hole isn't the final goal. Maybe that person wants to hang a family photograph on the wall. Affiliate marketers often spend all their time describing the drill. They talk about features, tools, commissions, bonuses, and dashboards. Meanwhile, the customer is still wondering, can this help someone like me finally make progress? Your content should begin with the viewer's frustration, not your product. Instead of saying, this platform has an autoresponder, funnel builder, training library, and compensation plan, say, if you're overwhelmed by using 5 different tools just to run a simple affiliate business, here's a way to put the essential pieces together. Now the product is connected to a real problem. I understand why people make this mistake because I've made it too. When you discover a product or opportunity that excites you, your natural reaction is to tell everyone everything about it. But excitement about a product is not the same thing as effective marketing. Effective marketing begins by understanding what another person is experiencing. Before you create your next video, email, or social media post, ask, what is my ideal viewer frustrated about right now? Then, create content that helps with that frustration, even if the viewer never buys anything from you. That is how trust begins. The third missing piece is the right path. Suppose you have identified the right person and the right problem. What happens next? This is where many people simply drop an affiliate link and hope for a sale. But an affiliate link is not a marketing strategy. The link only records what happens after someone decides to click it. It does not create trust, explain the value, overcome concerns, or help someone make a decision. People need a path. A simple affiliate marketing path might look like this. First, someone discovers one of your videos because it addresses a problem they are experiencing. Second, the video gives that person a useful answer and demonstrates that you understand the problem. Third, you invite the viewer to take a small next step, perhaps watching another video or attending a free training. Fourth, you continue helping that person understand the problem and the available solution. Finally, when the person is ready, you recommend the appropriate product. Notice that the affiliate link comes near the end of the process, not at the beginning. The link is not the path. The link is simply one step along the path. This is why posting more links usually doesn't produce more sales. If the path is missing, more links just create more opportunities for people to ignore you. You do not necessarily need more traffic. You need to give the traffic you already have a clear reason to trust you and a logical next step to take. So, which piece is missing from your business? Ask yourself these 3 questions. Number 1, can I describe the exact person I want to help without using broad phrases such as anyone who wants to make money? Number 2, does my content address a specific frustration that person already recognizes? And number 3, after someone consumes my content, is there a clear, helpful next step, or do I simply drop an affiliate link? Whichever question was hardest to answer is probably where your business needs attention. Do not try to repair everything at once. Choose the weakest piece and work on that first. And I want you to understand something important. Struggling with affiliate marketing does not mean you are incapable of succeeding. It may simply mean no one helped you put these pieces together in the correct order. Many programs teach you how to get an affiliate link. Some teach you how to use a particular tool. Others tell you to post more often or buy more traffic. But tools, links, and traffic cannot replace a clear message and a trustworthy path. Once you understand who you are helping, which problem you are solving, and where you are leading that person, affiliate marketing becomes much easier to understand. It stops feeling like a collection of disconnected tasks. It starts becoming a real business. If you're ready to stop jumping between opportunities and start building one simple online income system, I've put together a free masterclass for you. You can find it at homebizsimple.com. I'll also place the link in the description below. The training will help you understand how the different parts of an affiliate business work together so you can stop guessing what to do next. In my next video, I'm going to explain why promoting too many affiliate products can actually reduce your sales, even when every product you're promoting is good. If you're constantly switching offers or wondering which product deserves your attention, make sure you watch that one next. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Remember, you don't need to chase every opportunity. You need the right person, the right problem, and the right path. I'm HomeBiz Joe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.